Welcome to the CryptoNest. So let's see, first of all, the bubbles today. Today it's kind of a mixed feeling, some red, some in green. Bitcoin, as you can see, okay, this is the bearish count. So have been some complaints that my charts are messy. Yeah, sometimes they are, but at least all the indicators are there, all the points are there. You can see it all there, right? So this could be still the third wave, and we're currently maybe in the fourth wave, and this is why we need to keep always an eye open for this fifth wave that we didn't have yet. Honestly, I would put like maybe 10% that we didn't really see the lower low of this bear market, but we need to get always prepared. So a 10% of me, if it ever happen, I will not be surprised. But for the moment, I have nothing that let me think that it shouldn't be more bullish, because we're keeping doing higher high and higher lows. So for the moment, it's all good. So the dominance, we can see that we're having still this uptrend line. Now we start to reach it. When is that? Maybe mid-October, we're going to actually bump into it if we don't have a stronger correction up. For sure that if Bitcoin starts to go down and we break the trend, then it's going to be more bearish. So it means bigger corrective movement for Bitcoin. But for the moment, it's all good. And as you can see, the MA50 is the blue line. Often is acting as a support, sometimes as a resistance. But you can really see that when we start to reach this trend, the yellow trend, and also the MA50, then we spike up here about the same thing. We lost it momentarily, but then we spike up because we're once again into this uptrend, yellow trend. Now here, once again, the MA50 acted as a support and a resistance, and after that we kick in high to the right, and now we're about the same, right? So price went lower here. MA50 acted as a resistance, and here now we just broke it, and now it's acting as a support, and we're approaching once again this yellow trend. So we shall see what happened. Also, what's good that here we did a golden cross when it's the MA50 that overlapped the MA200, and since then we're good. Now maybe are they going to meet up? So this is going to be potentially another level, very important, very critical, because if price goes lower and break the trend, also we're going to have a dead cross, and the MA50 is going to go below the MA200. So that's something we need to be aware. So once again, we still have this gap here on the CME, and it's between 20,290 and 21,125. Now this is the messy chart, so I'm not going to show it. And this one, it's more the bullish count, more clear, epurated. So this was our bigger wave 2 corrective movement, bear market, low up to now. Now after that we did the impulsive movement to the upside, so we can say we did this was a 1 and this is a 2, and now I can say this is another 1. And now we're doing A overshooting wave B and a C. Now this is another reason why if price goes lower, I'm still being bullish, and I am being bullish until we don't break the beginning of this trend or wave count in blue. So if we go below 19,670, I'm going to round up, then it's more bearish. Okay, it can be more bearish, but as you can see, if we continue to go lower, we have this Fibonacci retracement, which is the Fibonacci retracement of the first wave in blue, and then we just tip into the 0.5, and now we're higher. Once again, we're channeling down, so let's see how low can we go. pull out some indicators, we can see that RSI is in decline and momentum is in decline. So could it be possible that we continue to go lower, deeper, maybe reach the golden ratio 0.618? Very, very possible. So yeah, actually someone asked me if I could share what did I buy in weekend. So I got some Solana on I think it was Saturday or Sunday. Anyway, let me see here. It's the 23rd. So I bought some Solana, I got some Render, I bought some Link, and I got some AVAX. Why I did that is because I had to either transfer my money from Binance or just buy it and transfer the crypto. So that's what I did. Those are long-term investments, so just transfer to the wallet, and they're going to sleep for 1 year or so, and then after that we will see. All right, so 1 year from now, yeah, Christmas should be pretty brilliant. Okay, so now let's cover some news. Taiwan issue crypto guidance as it step up regulation. So as you can see, all the countries, one by one, they all eventually, slowly start to regulate crypto. Before no one wanted, they were saying it's no good, it's not honest technology, and then after that, well, everybody like it suddenly. Okay, so now Citibank token service and the future of banking. So once again, the banks, they were totally against crypto. Now Citibank is embracing blockchain technology. So last year, I don't remember who was it, Morgan Stanley and all the big shot in Wall Street, they were saying, blockchain and crypto, it's evil. Don't you touch it. If you have any, sell them. And then now, well, they changed their mind. I guess everybody is able to change their mind, no? They're entitled to change their mind. It's just that when you have a lot of power and you are really visible and you do article interviews, so it's like tricky, right? How can you do 180 U-turn and say, something is evil and then something is amazing, without having, other thoughts or doing some, or you say something and then you say something, and then you do the opposite. So is that honest? I don't know. All right, so on another subject, still on the same subject, Citibank. So after operating with traditional financial paradigm for 2 centuries, Citibank is reinventing itself, utilizing blockchain technology and embarking on an ambitious path of upgrade service for its institutional clients. So there you go. They're going to use blockchain because now blockchain is the thing to do. Now, another one, this is conflicting one, right? Chase ban, go back. Chase ban crypto link payment for UK. Now, what's the title about that, of the story? It's pretty easy. They say, my customers are getting scammed, so to protect them, I am going to prevent my customer to access Bitcoin. So you cannot buy it by credit card, I guess. I know they cannot use the debit card and they cannot transfer money. So actually preventing people to invest in crypto. Also, Trader Joe sent grant proposal to Armtrong, so that's good news for Armtrong. So that's also the news of the day. Now, this is the biggest. I don't know. Is it the bigger news? I don't know. SEC opposed Celsius plan to use Coinbase as distribution agent for international customer. So SEC are there to protect consumer, right, and retailers. So this is what they do. Coinbase want to give back the money to the user, and SEC they don't want. Wait a minute, didn't we say SEC is there to protect user and retailers? Oh well, I think maybe yeah, maybe they didn't read what's their description of the job actually. Okay, so now, okay, someone asking me about the what do I think about Armstrong. Well, honestly, I don't want really. It's not, even though, you know, I'm here to more likely to talk about TA, crypto, and stocks news. Okay. Well, actually, I can say that he is a very. How can I say that? He is very dedicated to crypto. And one way I can say it is like he's so dedicated that when there is bear market and there is nothing really to do, then he creates some entertainment or news. I did see, the last video that he got arrested. Well, I guess he all show us what in real life you shouldn't do. So you don't start a live stream, and you don't go knock on the door and start screaming, and certainly don't use a gun, maybe, because that can be yeah, it's like can be sued big time. I think, I don't know, like here in Canada for sure you're not allowed to have a gun. So I know United States you're allowed, but I think there are also some limits how you use it and where do you bring it and what are your intentions. Even though it was I would say it didn't seem like stable, but I don't know, maybe he was just excited, I guess. Anyway, for this Lamborghini thing, I don't understand how someone can take your Lamborghini. What the hell, man? The keys, they're not that easy to copy. Second, he should have some registration with him. He has some property deeds or something. So, and they have, certainly they do have GPS on those things, because when I bought my new car, is not even $40,000 20 years ago. The insurance, they forced me to put a tracking GPS, right? So for a Lamborghini, for sure there is one, and then you just declare it stolen, and then you can say, look, my GPS is pointing there. These are my papers. I am the owner. Let's go get it. That's it. It should be easy. So maybe it's not the good way to do the cowboy. And yeah, I didn't see in the video that he was showing any papers, so that's my opinion on that. But I don't really have opinions, honestly. Like, it's like I would say it's personal drama that now is on the social media, and honestly I think I will not cover this subject anymore. I just did it now because I had one question. So this is my intake, not my business. This is private stuff. I know he put stuff online, but that's his decision. I will never do that. And don't worry, guys, I will never do those kind of things because I don't have a Lamborghini to get back. And yeah, so that's about it for today. I might do some video later. I'm not sure if I have time. And all that, well, have a good one. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then, yeah, if you have any comments, drop them, and I will try to answer them as honestly I can. Bye. Have a good day.